In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your HostGator email to your Gmail account. This process will allow you to manage multiple email accounts efficiently, all from the comfort of your Gmail inbox. Let's go through the steps together so you can seamlessly integrate your HostGator email and Gmail. First, you'll need to log in to your Gmail account. Open up your preferred web browser, navigate to the Gmail website, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll see all your usual Gmail functions. Next, we need to access the settings. For this, take a look at the top right corner of your Gmail screen, where you'll notice a small gear icon. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select See All Settings. This is where we'll configure everything needed for connecting your HostGator email. Once in the Settings menu, find the tab labeled Accounts and Import. It's usually third from the left, and this is where we handle the connections to and from other email accounts. In this section, locate the option that says Check Mail from Other Accounts. Right next to it, there's a link that says Add a Mail Account. Click on that. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your HostGator email address. This should be the full email address, such as yourdomain.com. Once you've filled in this field, go ahead and click on Next. You'll now be asked to choose how you'd like Gmail to retrieve emails from your HostGator account. At this point, select the option titled Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3, and then click Next to continue. The next screen will ask for detailed information about your HostGator account settings. In the username field, type your full HostGator email address. Then, enter the password you use for your HostGator email. For the POP server, input mail.yourdomain.com, remembering to replace yourdomain.com with your actual domain name. The default port to use is 110, but if you prefer a secure connection, you can use port 995. If you choose the secure option, make sure the box labeled Always Use a Secure Connection, SSL, when retrieving mail is checked. After successfully configuring the incoming email settings, Gmail will guide you through setting up the outgoing mail settings so you can send emails as your HostGator address. You'll be asked for the SMTP server. Again, use mail.yourdomain.com, and this time, for the port, use 587, selecting Secured Connection using TLS. You'll need to re-enter your full HostGator email address and password here as well. The last step is crucial. Gmail will send a verification code to your HostGator email. Head over to your HostGator inbox, retrieve the verification code, and input this code back into Gmail when prompted. This step verifies that you own the email address and completes the setup process. And there you have it. Your HostGator email is now successfully connected to your Gmail. From here, you can send and receive emails through your HostGator account right from the Gmail interface. Happy emailing!